Hey, I'm Oakley at Oakley Does Everything, and today we're going to be painting and weathering our foam armor for our Jaune art cosplay from Ruby. Stay tuned. So the first thing we want to do is we want to prepare our pieces to be plasti dipped. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my air compressor, blow these pieces off, make sure I get as much dust off as possible. That way the plasti dip will adhere to it as best as it can. To make it a little bit easier on myself, I glued these tabs on the back of my smaller pieces. That way when I'm painting them, I have something to hold on to rather than actually holding it by the piece itself. So another little tip is you can heat this up in some warm water for about 10 minutes or so. I've heard that's supposed to help it a little bit. So we're gonna put 3 or 4 coats on this, 30 minutes in between coats, respirator, gloves, etc. Stay safe. Alright guys, so we have our makeshift paint booth and we're going to go ahead and start painting all of our pieces. And of course I'm going to be wearing a respirator, wearing gloves, and I'm just using a flat white Rust-Oleum. We're just going to start with a medium light coating and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, it is about 3 days later and I actually had to stop after that last clip you just saw. My paint booth wasn't working very well, and if I couldn't put layers within an hour, I had to wait 48 hours for it to dry and then paint over top of it, so that's what I did. I also put some, I filled in some more holes that were appearing, so I got rid of those, smoothed it out a little bit more. But now I relocated to my garage. Now we're going to go ahead and finish painting the white on this. Alright guys, we're gonna do some weathering. Alright guys, so we're gonna do some weathering now. I have some acrylic paint. Yes, I have some acrylic paint, and we're gonna mix red, blue, and yellow and get a brown, and we're gonna water that down a lot, and then we're just gonna put it over everything, wipe it off, and see what it ends up looking like. We'll start with a test piece and go from there. This is terrifying. No. That's bad. That's bad. Before, after. Now we're going to do some dry brushing just to give it a little pop on some of the edges. First time dry brushing, first time weathering. So far it's going pretty well. We'll see what happens now. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more content about my Jaune art cosplay, make sure to hit the playlist over here. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button right in the middle right there. And of course, have a wonderful day. Bye.